Hi guys, good morning. So, how are you today? Hindi ako ganun ka ah, mabuti dahil hindi po maganda ang pakiramdam natin. It's because of the weather condition here in my place in Palawan, which is keep on changing halos every day. Let's say the other day it's really sunny, sobrang iba yung init nung nakaraang araw, and then yesterday ang lakas ng ulan, so mahinang nilalang po tayo, tinamaan po tayo ng trangkaso. Hindi naman ako nilagnat, pero sobrang sakit ng ano ko, yung ulo ko, yung sintido ko dito, sobrang sakit. And may sipon din po tayo, pero as a mother, I need to get up early and prepare my kids to go to school, especially today. They have their periodical exam. So, they need to be in school well prepared. Yeah, so kahit masama ang pakiramdam natin, kailangan nating bumangon para sa mga anak natin. Ganyan ang mga nanay. So, yeah. Yun lang guys. I just want to remind you to be safe, especially today that our weather condition is keep on changing. Please don't forget to take your vitamins and yeah, eat fruits and vegetables para po hindi tayo tamaan ng sakit. Yun lang guys. Ingat kayo. Bye!